The beginning of a new year is a great time for fresh starts. So why not make this year the year to focus on your skin? But if you want to achieve a healthy complexion, then you cannot be missing out on certain skincare steps. Hi guys, I'm Niyati and today I'm going to be sharing 5 skincare resolutions for 2022. But before that, you know what you have to do. First of all, go ahead and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and also ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Now we all know that great skin is simply not a matter of DNA. Your daily habits have a huge impact of what you see in the mirror. So the first skincare resolution is to follow a thorough skincare routine. Having a routine can tune up your complexion so that it's functioning at its best and also troubleshoot or target certain areas that you want to work on. When selecting skincare products, remember to consider your age, skin type, and skin concerns. A basic skincare routine should consist of a cleanser, serum, moisturizer, and a sunscreen. However, feel free to customize your routine as per your needs. The second skincare resolution is to start incorporating serums with actives. Now, because serums are thin viscosity topical products with concentrated amount of active ingredients, they penetrate deeper into the skin layers. Also, due to higher concentration of active ingredients, it typically takes a shorter period of time to see visible results. Think of serum as a secret weapon that is going to help you treat issues like dullness, dryness, discoloration, fine lines, and even acne. For instance, take a look at this serum. This is the Simple Booster Serum with 3% hyaluronic acid plus B5 for deep hydration. This dermatologically tested serum has no skin baddies, it is non-comedogenic, it provides deep hydration, it's going to improve your skin's texture. In addition, it's going to soothe and calm the skin and it's going to boost skin's natural moisturizing factors. If you want to know more about this serum, then check out my full review on it. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description box below. Go and check it out. The third makeup resolution is to take off makeup at night. Reason being, during the day, makeup acts as a magnet for dirt, oil, pollution, and dead skin. Leaving all of that on your face overnight is like an open invitation for bacteria, clogged pores, blackheads, and breakouts. That's not all. Makeup is often made up of ingredients that can irritate the skin, such as dyes and perfumes. When left on the skin for a long period of time, these irritants can cause inflammation, redness, and irritation. To be honest, micellar water is my go-to makeup remover and this is the one that I use. This is Simple Daily Skin Detox Oil Be Gone Micellar Water. This alcohol-free micellar water has no harsh chemicals. Instead, it has skin-loving ingredients like zinc, thyme, and witch hazel. It cleans the pores, removes makeup, and keeps the skin mattified. If you have been less than diligent with regard to sun protection, then this is the year to make a resolution to use SPF daily. Wearing sunscreen daily will protect your skin against sunspot, wrinkles, and also prevent formation of certain skin cancers. To make it easy to remember, I recommend using a sunscreen which has a broad spectrum formula and it has an SPF of at least 30. For instance, this is my favorite sunscreen. It is the Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen with SPF 50. This lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy sunscreen has a broad spectrum formula that blocks 97% of harmful sun rays. Lastly, resolution number 5 is to exfoliate regularly. Now, exfoliation is a process that occurs naturally, but as we age, this process becomes less effective, leaving an excess of dead skin cells. Exfoliating once or twice a week will help the natural process, preventing buildup of dead skin cells and revealing a brighter, more youthful complexion. But the thing with exfoliators is that they can be harsh. However, worry not, because here is a really gentle face exfoliator. This is St. Ives Gentle Smoothing Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. This dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic and paraben-free exfoliator is made up of oatmeal, which is going to gently buff away dead skin cells. In addition, it also has honey, which is going to keep your skin moisturized. So these were 5 skincare resolutions for 2022. Before you go, make sure that you like and share this video and that you also subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're at it, also ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.